And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create lines in Adobe Illustrator. We'll use the line segment tool for that and the stroke menu. You can find the line segment tool over here. Just left click and drag, and when you hold shift it just gets locked in 45-degree angles. You can see right now I've got it set to fill and no stroke, so let me swap the colors. So now I've got a stroke, no fill, and you can use the stroke menu on top to make that thicker. Let me drag a copy out of it, and now I'll open the stroke menu on the window. You will find that. Or use the icon on the right hand side. So weight is the same here as in the top menu, labeled as stroke. So it adjusts the thickness, the cap. You can see it changes between round, projected and butt cap. And we can also adjust the line by activating the dash line function. Let me drag another copy out of it. So here's the symbol for the stroke. And let's go down with the weight. And you can see that these dashes, they become thinner and thinner. And if we go down with the dash themselves, in the dash line section of the menu, let's set that down to 1 and then increase the gap. You can see what we've got. Let me make that thicker a little bit. And you can see that the lines, they go only upwards vertically. And if I change the cap to round, we've got circles when we decrease the dash. And when we increase the dash, we've got rounded rectangles, you could say, as dashed. Let me use another copy. And we can also combine circles and these rounded rectangles as dashes. Let's go to butt cap again. You can see we only have dashes of different sizes. So you can't directly use that menu to create dashes and then circles. And these are the basics of creating lines in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.